Hey there, good evening from the First Warning Weather Center. Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin with an updated forecast. I know the inauguration has preempted some of our earlier evening newscasts, so I do want to bring you a special update online. And as we record this just after 5:30, it is cloudy, but it is dry. Winter weather alerts kick in at 6 p.m. Winter weather advisories for most of the hill country. We're expecting lower sleet and snowfall accumulations versus winter storm warnings for the metro and most of our eastern counties, where slightly higher snow and sleet totals are expected. We are starting to see the atmosphere moisten up, especially to the south of us, where some snow, rain higher up in the atmosphere starting to fall down, but in most cases drying up before reaching the ground. As the atmosphere continues to moisten, though, we'll start seeing these returns reaching the ground, and then slowly our snow and sleet chances go up as we head later into the night tonight. But again, just cloudy for now. We'll first start to feel perhaps a little bit of freezing drizzle and a few flurries during the early evening. And then toward the middle of the evening, late evening, our snow shower chances start to go up, but going up slowly. We still think that the majority of the snow is going to come late evening, overnight, and into the first few hours of tomorrow morning. This is midnight Tuesday, and you can see more widespread snow at this point, and likely continuing for a few hours at a fairly steady clip. This is 3 a.m. So if you're looking to see the snow falling, some of you may want to set your alarm for the middle of the night. Say between midnight and 5 a.m. is when we should see the majority of our snow. So 3 a.m. turns to 6 a.m. and we'll see that snow starting to wrap up with still some snow showers along and east of 35. And then with daybreak, we lose the majority of the snow, just a few leftover snow showers at 7, 8 o'clock, and then dry the rest of the day. Although it's still going to be slippery, especially on those exposed surfaces here tomorrow morning. The sunshine that comes out for the afternoon, as well as temperatures above freezing, should help roads and especially those bridges improve. So your forecast tonight, 70% of us getting measurable snow or sleet. Overnight lows getting down to 26. It's sure been a cold day. But your Tuesday, once we hit dawn, only 20% of us see any additional snow showers and flurries, a high of 38. So there'll be some melting here during the day. For most of us, it's mainly snow and sleet, but into our southern counties, a little bit of spotty light freezing rain could mix in. And then in the northwestern hill country, you may be lucky to get anything more than just a few flurries. We do think a coating to an inch still on track for most of the metro and into the hill country, although closer to a coating than an inch the farther west you go, and still on track for 1 to 2 inches of snow in much of our eastern counties, with some slightly higher amounts just east of the KXAN viewing area. So those peak snow chances coming in the middle of the night and the first few hours of tomorrow morning, with a quick drying trend as we get into daybreak. Here's a look at our First Warning Weather 7-day forecast. Sunshine and scattered clouds here Wednesday and Thursday as daytime temperatures climb, but nighttime lows will still be below freezing through Friday morning. Friday afternoon, we're up near 60. 60s for the weekend, with rain chances returning, with those highest chances coming on Sunday. We'll keep you updated as the snow starts to spread through the evening on CW Austin at 9 and on KXAN News at 10.